Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new contact in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So step 1, log into your GoHighLevel account. Then switch to the account where you want to add a new contact in. And then click on Contacts. Now click on Add Contact button. A new slide in or a new window slide in. First, let's start with the customer or the contact list. My bad. First, start with the first name, last name, email address. Then select the phone number type from work, landline, home. Fill in the contact number. Select the contact type from lead or customer. Let's go with a lead. Select a time zone. And then select the channels. You can go with DND all channels or specific channels like email and text message. Let's fix this phone number. Now click on save. And as you see, the contact is added to my GoHighLevel account. And this is how to add a new contact in GoHighLevel. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.